back to Fix It Garage and our Christmas special. Today, we're gonna be putting Christmas lights on both the cars, and then we're gonna go take some really cool photos and videos of them sitting outside the house. So let's get started. Subaru's all done, and it's looking really good. It screams Christmas with the lights on. I was gonna stick wrapping paper on it, but wrapping paper doesn't stick very well to ceramic coat. Well, the tape doesn't. But either way, it's all holiday ready. Now let's really quick set up the CRV, and then we can go take some video of it. Alright guys, the cars are both done. They're sitting outside. You guys are gonna see some video of it here in just a minute. But first, I wanna thank all of you guys for watching. If you like what you saw, remember to smash that like button, subscribe down below so you don't miss any future Fix It Garage content. This is the last video of the year. Let's try and get as many new subs as we can with this video. Next week, I'm taking the week off to spend some time with family and get some stuff ready for 2021. There'll be no videos, but I promise I'll be hard at work getting ready for next year. Thank you guys all for watching. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year. See you guys in a bit.